the deal, Phil. I'm going to write it after it's done. And so he got a blue card, you remember, on his video. Now, my dad is behind the camera, so this is our car. We're going to put this little thing, no, this big old one on the table. It's not too heavy for me. So we got my dad on this camera, and you see, you can put your little, I think I can put my little toys in there. And you know, my markers are coming up. My big old ones,
Action Jackson, yo, we in the f***ing house tonight. Ooh.
We used to beat people up for saying things like that.
Action, yo, we in the house tonight. You heard, Big Bird, and we got the Chinese van. You heard the Ninja Turtle van, the one that kicks butt like Van Dan.
What? It's from Chinese?
Yeah, it's from China.
What?
Yeah, and we're doing a little something, you know.
Are you okay opening that big old box? But when he opened that box up, dang, there was a what in that box?
I got it. So I got
oh my gosh. You see the
First off the back.
The back.
First off the back, the box looking like it's been through a breath.
The butt part.
We're gonna back it. Ooh!
Dang!
Get that out of here.
I can use that box for my
Ooh,
paintings.
look at this. Off the rip, you get the charger. The little pieces. Watch out, frog.
It's okay.
Stickers. This is the WPL van. And I think, what van is this? It's the it's the WPL RC, so it's the it's the WPL. The WPL van.
Ooh, I can put my little dolls in here.
Alright.
That's cool, man.
Yeah, that's cool, man.
And they don't be like glue bands. I have this movie on my little apple. Maybe it will fit there.
Alright. So we open these bad boy up. Bada bing. Ooh. Bada bing, bada boom. That's how we do.
Oh.
It comes with this nice little controller. It's plastic, but you know, you get what you can get.
And you don't total fit.
I'm not gonna throw it. Alright, look at this. Let's put that over there.
That's clean.
This is nice.
Ooh, this is nice.
Beep beep. It's a car.
Look at that.
Yeah.
These tires feel nice. Nice and good. We're gonna switch these bad boys out. I plan on lifting it. But look at that, it's nice.
What are you going to call it? What's the name? What's the car name?
It's the Ninja Turtle van.
What are we gonna do when we find Shredder?
Directions. It tells you where to put the thing, bada bing, bada boom. So what we're gonna do is get this going. I'm not gonna put too many stickers on it, but I am gonna get ahead and add these plastic pieces.
I'm gonna keep some of the stickers.
We'll be right back. You heard, Big Bird.
Shredder? In the turtle van?
We have no choice, Raphael. Get in, Shredder!
Comment down below if you like it.